As COVID-19 infections soar in France, pressure on the government to keep schools from closing. New measures were announced by the Prime Minister on Monday. 3 at-home tests will be needed if a student comes into contact with someone who's COVID positive. The government defended its move to no longer require a test from a pharmacy or laboratory, which are deemed more reliable.
Queues over the past few days, last week, have been terrible, with parents standing in line for an hour and a half, 2 hours sometimes, to test their kid. So it's common sense to make the first test a home test instead of one done at a pharmacy or a laboratory, because nowadays we have these tools at our disposal, which allow us to simplify things.
Teachers' unions say the latest announcement from the government won't help reduce the number of infections in schools. They plan on walking off the job on Thursday.
The government is talking about simplifying things. Our main demand is to make things safer.
At the start of the week, over 10,000 classes were impacted across the country. Parents in France have now started to wonder if health conditions at schools will improve anytime soon, as they will now need to provide sworn statements saying their child has tested negative for COVID.
Testing kids at home? I mean, are we really going to do it? That's the question, really. Will people do the tests?
While the government insists the latest relaxing of the rules will keep schools from shutting, some cities in France have opted to start testing children directly on site.